S24 from Samsung launched its latest model, the Galaxy S24 FE, which has a fairly affordable price compared to other models in this series. Having qualified specifications at an affordable price for the size of a flagship smartphone from Samsung, here is a review of the specifications and price of the Samsung Galaxy S24 FE that you must know before buying it. The Samsung Galaxy S24 FE has a very similar design to the Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus, with a flat aluminum frame surrounded by Gorilla Victus Plus glass on the front and back. The phone's design looks premium with 3 vertically arranged cameras on the back and a flat screen with a front camera punch hole at the top center. Despite the matte aluminum frame and glossy back panel, the overall feel is sturdy and durable thanks to the IP68 certification for water and dust resistance. The phone is slightly larger and heavier than the Galaxy S24, measuring 162mm by 77.3mm by 8mm and weighing 213 grams. The increase in dimensions is noticeable due to the slightly thicker screen bezels, while still providing the same 6.7-inch display as the Galaxy S24 Plus. Although the phone is fairly large, the flat sides of the frame make it comfortable to hold. In addition, the Galaxy S24 FE comes in a selection of pastel colors such as blue, mint, and yellow, which gives it a fresh yet professional feel. These colors also help hide fingerprints that are often visible on the shinier graphite variant. With the use of Victus Plus glass on both sides, the phone has good scratch resistance, although it remains prone to fingerprint smudges. The Galaxy S24 FE's display is larger at 6.7 inches, with a resolution of 1080 by 2340 pixels and a refresh rate of 120 Hz, though not as low as 1 Hz as on other S24 models. With a peak brightness of 1900 nits, the screen is capable of displaying vibrant colors and good contrast, especially when watching 10+ HDR content. While not as bright as the S24, the screen is quite comfortable to use in direct sunlight and produces a sharp, color-rich display. In terms of audio, the downward-facing main speaker and front-facing tweeter provide clear sound with fairly strong volume, although they don't overemphasize bass. This sound quality greatly supports the multimedia experience, making it well-balanced with the bright and colorful AMOLED screen, especially for watching videos or playing games. The Galaxy S24 FE is powered by the Exynos 2400E chipset, which provides good enough performance for everyday use. Although not as powerful as the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 used in the Galaxy S24, S24 Plus, and S24 Ultra, the Exynos 2400E is still capable of running applications smoothly and responsively. The performance of the Galaxy S24 FE is also supported by 8 GB of RAM, and the Ultra has 12 GB of RAM, which is still enough for daily multitasking needs. Gaming experiences like Genshin Impact run smoothly at the highest settings, with support for the ray tracing feature for a more realistic visual display. However, optimal gaming performance is still better on devices with Snapdragon chipsets. In terms of software, the Galaxy S24 FE comes with Android 14 operating system with One UI 6 interface and is supported by various useful Galaxy AI features such as Circle to Search, Live Translate, and Sketch to Image. These features make it easier for users to perform various tasks such as searching for information, translating text, and editing images. The Galaxy S24 FE also comes with Samsung DeX technology, which allows users to use the phone like a desktop computer when connected to a monitor. This feature is very useful for users who often work or study outside the home. The Samsung Galaxy S24 FE is equipped with 3 cameras on the back, namely a 50-megapixel main camera and optical image stabilization, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera with a 123-degree viewing angle, and an 8-megapixel telephoto camera with 3 times optical zoom and OIS. While these specs are similar to the Galaxy S23 FE, there is an upgrade to the use of the AI-powered Pro Visual Engine to improve photo and video quality, especially in low-light conditions. The 10-megapixel front camera also supports video recording up to 8K at 30 FPS. Reviews of the Samsung Galaxy S24 FE's photos are generally sharp and full of detail, with colors that tend to be slightly more saturated, but still natural compared to the previous Galaxy generation. However, in low lighting conditions, some photos can look less vivid. The 8-megapixel telephoto camera on the S24 FE is slightly inferior compared to the Galaxy S24, which uses a 10-megapixel sensor, but the 3-time optical zoom capability still delivers quite good results in its class. In addition to solid image quality, the Galaxy S24 FE offers a variety of interesting shooting modes, including a dual record feature that allows video recording using the front and rear cameras simultaneously, as well as a food mode for food shots. In addition, Samsung includes various AI-based editing tools such as Photo Assist, which allows users to resize, move, or delete elements in photos, as well as Sketch to Image, which uses generative AI to add new elements based on simple drawings. Overall, the Galaxy S24 FE's camera offers a fairly good photography experience and is suitable for users looking for an affordable phone that still has adequate camera quality. However, with the addition of AI tools and 8K video capabilities, the phone remains an attractive option for users who like to get creative with photos and videos. The Samsung Galaxy S24 FE is equipped with a 4700 mAh battery, larger than the standard S24 model. This battery is capable of lasting more than a day with normal use, and can even reach 2 days with sparing use. With 25 watts of wired charging, the device can charge to 50% in about 30 minutes, although not as fast as some competitors in the market. In addition, the phone supports 15-watt wireless charging and wireless power sharing, which allows users to charge other devices by placing them on the Galaxy S24 FE's back. The Samsung Galaxy S24 FE comes in 2 storage capacity options to meet the needs of different users. The first variant has 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of internal storage for $638. For users who need more storage space, the 8 GB RAM, 256 GB internal variant is available for $702. For those of you who are interested in owning the Samsung Galaxy S24 FE, the pre-order period has been opened from September 26 to October 3, 2024, yesterday. During this pre-order period, Samsung provides various attractive offers. You can get a bonus of up to $138, which includes a double memory upgrade, a free silicone case, cashback from partner banks of up to $32, and an eSIM data package from XL of up to 60 GB.